me no want the nastiness from the corner. Last week the soup tell me say I put me back on bicycle just because too much jing bang.
All right, Corporal, Friday.
What time?
You know, it would have kind of nice if it were we dead one time. We could have keep a double funeral. That way it would be bigger. Cause and enough people know me. I mean, I lie. Me don't feel shame if me keep funeral and nobody no come.
Yo, Juicy, you remember the surprise me today said I walk on?
Yeah.
It finished. 2 more.
2 more what?
Cat.
And cat?
Yes.
You are trying to tell me say you never know me have feelings for you?
We never know that women not do business or feelings for them client. That don't make no sense.
It makes perfect sense.
In your head, what means that me can't read your mind?
All right. Now that me read it for you. What?
Huh?
Huh? You suddenly retarded?
Sugar, what you want from me? Empty promises.
Me just want you to tell me how you feel about me.
Me feel all right.
You feel all right about me? What at?
You never know I say you're so aggressive.
Me neither. So I go